Hello,
Good afternoon, how are you?
सर आई एम फाइन। मेरी वो तबीयत खराब है।
तू क्या करेगा, पढ़ेगा या नहीं पढ़ेगा?
फिर पढ़ लूंगा।
किसी तरह पढ़ लो, तबीयत को क्या हो गया है?
फिर पता नहीं, मुझे एक स्टमक इन्फेक्शन हो गया है।
सो सैड। तो ठीक होना पड़ेगा, ठीक हो जाओगे कुछ ही दिनों में। You'll be all right. You might have eaten something wrong, I think. कुछ डाइजेस्ट नहीं
सर
होता
टू
तुमको?
वीक्स सर 2 वीक्स पहले भी मेरा एक स्टमक इन्फेक्शन हुआ था।
या तो वो जो तुम बाहर से आए घूम के, तुम्हारा पेट सेट नहीं हुआ अभी तक, तो ये इसी वजह से हो रहा होता है। Now, we were learning some multiplication and division of integers. As I told you, there are
यस।
some law again, that is commutative, associative, and maybe multiplication by 1, multiplication by 0. These are the properties which you know well, that if you multiply A to B and multiply B to A, when B and A both are integers, you will get the same product.
यस
Every
सर।
Yes.
सर स्कूल में हम आज सब्स्टिट्यूशन सीख रहे थे जो मुझे ज्यादा समझ नहीं आया।
Substitution from which chapter?
सर सर इन वो अलजेब्राई।
Okay. So let us go to that chapter only. I'm stopping this one for a while. We will take up this chapter later on, right? I'm going to substitution only. You are going to, study algebra. As you say, school में आपको algebra पढ़ाया है ना? What happens? Sometimes some expression is given to you. 2a square minus 3, and you observe that यही बात कर रहे थे ना या कुछ और कर रहे थे, and they say a equal to 1 है तो इसकी वैल्यू बताओ, a equal to minus 2 है तो इसकी वैल्यू बताओ. This is called substitution, as I think. Do you think like that?
यस।
One question is here. I'm just taking questions by myself only. Suppose this is x square plus xy plus y square, and then they give you x equal to minus 1 and y equal to minus 2. Find the value of this. Find the value of this like this. So how will you do it?
सर।
In every case, you'll substitute this a as 1 in this expression. So when you put a equal to 1, what are you getting? 2 into 1 ka square, 3 into 1. Wherever you find a, you replace it by 1. So this is 2 into, what is 1 ka square? 1 ही होगा.
यस
3
सर।
into 1 plus 2. In next step, you follow the BOD mass. 2 होगा, minus 3 होगा, plus 2 होगा. What is the answer? 2 plus 2 is 4, minus 3. 1 is the answer. Correct?
यस।
So if you substitute minus 2 in place of a, if you place a equal to minus 2, then you will write 2 into minus 2 ka square, 3 into minus 2 plus 2. And now you let me know what is the answer. At first you do this exponent solution. So if you x square minus 2, you will get plus 4. Is it so?
यस।
And these two when multiplied together, this will give me plus 6 and plus 2. So your answer is 4 to the 8 plus 6 plus 2. And what is the final answer then? 16 is the final answer.
यस। फिर मुझे
Similarly,
ये अभी भी थोड़ा वो समझ नहीं आया कैसे
अभी
देखूं।
I'm going to do 5 or 10 sums, you can understand well. And if I'm going to put a equal to 3, what will you get? Let me know. 2 multiplied by 3 square. You know, every a is replaced by 3. That is substitution. You are substituting this a by its value, 3 plus 2.
यस।
And now, Padma से पहले हम लोग पावर को सॉल्व करते हैं. So 3 square is 9. So 2 into
यस।
9 minus 3 into 3 is again 9 and plus 2. And according
Yes,
to
sir.
BODMAS, this multiplication should take place first. So 18 minus 9 plus 2. And what is the final answer now? 18 plus 2 is 20. 20 minus 9 is 11.
11.
This is one of the sum in which there were so many values of a, 1, minus 2, 3, and on each value I have to evaluate the value of this whole expression. Similarly, here you have been given x equal to minus 1 and y equal to minus 2. How will you replace it? Replace
Sir,
every x by minus 1 and every y by minus 2. So how will you write? Minus
negative
1
1
square plus, put
plus
a bracket here,
negative
negative
1
1 into
times
negative 2
mm,
plus negative 2 squared. And now you solve all the exponents. Negative 1 ka square, positive 1.
negative 1. Oh, positive 1.
Negative 2 ka square, positive 4. And this negative 1 into negative 2 plus 2. So
सर
what you,
मुझे अभी वो इंटीजर्स का वो नहीं आया एक्सपोनेंट तो
अभी आ जाएगा, अभी आ जाएगा. I will do little bit of sum on that also. So now what is the final answer? First term is 1, second term is plus 2, and third
2
term is 4. So 4 plus 2 plus 1.
7
It's 7 answer. Now little bit of exponent evaluation. I'm going to evaluate the exponent first, then I'll go to this. है ना? Evaluate
yeah
the following exponents. Suppose someone says minus 2 ka cube, minus 3 ka square, and they say you what is the answer. So you have to simplify it. Minus 5 ka square plus minus 3 ka square plus 2 ka square. Evaluate this. So if you do some practice on that, you will be expert in this also. So let me tell you how to do all this. Plus 1 ka cube. And then fourth question I'm writing here. Minus 3 square minus of minus 2 square plus 8. Just I'm taking only 4 sums, then I'll take one more set of 5 sums. What should be the answer of this term? Can you let me know?
सर मुझे
This
लगता
is this
है
is minus 2 minus 2 minus 2 multiplied how many times?
सर 3
So what is the answer now? 3 times minus is multiplied. So if minus is multiplied odd number of times, it gives you minus only.
यस
If
और
minus
इवन
is,
तो होएगा
then it will be positive. So
यस
if it is odd number of times, this will give me minus, and 2, 2 ja 4, 2 ja 8. So my result is minus 8. Then put a minus here. This is a positive number, so there should be no any negative. So 3 square is 9. And now according to integer, what should be the answer? Minus 9 minus 8. That is minus 17. So you must have
यस
very good practice over this expansion. Only then you can calculate those substitutions. So now tell me, what is the answer of the first term?
सर एक
If you don't know, you can write somewhere else.
25
This is 25. Very good.
25 plus
9
9
and
plus
plus 4.
4
So your answer is 30, 25 and plus 10,
38
35, 38 is the answer. Correct now? Now you let me know
yeah.
what is the answer of this one. This precedes a negative sign. So put the negative sign here and evaluate this first. And this have been evaluated somewhere. So this gives positive 25. Is it so?
mm, yes sir
And then this gives 9.
plus 9 plus
And this gives 1. Now this is
1
minus 25 plus 9 plus 1. So this is minus 15 answer.
yes
What is the difference? The minus is preceding. So this minus is kept outside and solve this one only.
yes
And
sir
after this, you put that sign there. And again come to this one. What is the answer of minus 3 square? This is minus 3 into minus 3 multiplied twice. This gives plus 9.
mm,
And then again I'll put a minus sign and the value of this becomes 4.
4 plus 8.
plus 8. So 9 plus 8 is 17. 17 minus 4, 13. Correct?
13.
Now
Yes.
you can take out your copy. I'm giving you a set of 5 sums to evaluate.
Yes.
Take out your copy until I'm writing. 2, 3, 4, 5. Minus 6 whole square minus minus 3 whole square minus 8 minus 3 whole cube plus minus 8 whole square plus minus 1 whole cube minus 2 whole cube plus minus 3 whole cube plus minus 5 whole cube minus 4 to the power 2 plus minus 2 to the power 4 minus of minus 8 and 7 cube minus minus 2 cube plus minus 1 cube. What is the answer now? Let me know each answers correctly.
6 seconds फिर मैं calculate.
Yeah,
सर फर्स्ट का होगा -53.
negative 53. What is the answer of the first term?
सर 6 स्क्वायर हो जाएगा 36 और वो नेगेटिव साइन तो -36 -9.
You are exactly right. This is good answer. Now the next one.
सर इसका होगा पहले का होगा -27.
Negative 27 नहीं होगा बच्चे. It will be positive 27. Why?
सर
Because नेगेटिव का क्यूब तो नेगेटिव आएगा ही
ओ यस.
और ये नेगेटिव पीछे फॉलो कर रहा है तो ये नेगेटिव नेगेटिव तो पॉजिटिव बना देगा.
यस. positive 27 plus -8 6 64 plus -1 -2 -1 27 plus 64.
Is it 90?
Sir, yes, sir.
27 minus 1 is 26 plus 64. 26 plus 64 is 90, I think. Next answer.
6 seconds for my God. Sir, 1 second.
Yeah, I'm waiting. You can do it. You take your time.
सिर्फ पहले वाला का होगा -8
Correct.
प्लस
Negative 8, then plus negative
प्लस
27.
-27 प्लस -5 times 5.
Negative 120.
Yes, sir.
So all the bracket when opens, it gives minus 8, minus 27 and minus 125. All things turn to be negative because this plus minus is minus again, this plus minus is minus again. So all the terms are negative. And what's the answer? 160 negative.
Yeah. Yes, sir.
And next one.
-4 16 plus
Correct.
2 2 2
2 raised to the power 4 is 16. Negative 2 raised to the power 4 is
16
also 16.
So the answer होगा
40. 40 is the answer.
Yes, sir.
And then last one.
7, 3, 7, 7, 49, 49, 7. Sir, एक second.
Yeah.
49 सर एक सेकंड में कैल सर
Yeah.
49 times 7 343 होएगा ना
343.
Yes, sir.
It's 343. The first term is 7 cube, that is
43.
343.
Yes, sir.
Minus of 8
plus
minus 1.
minus 1.
So this is
So
343 plus 8
plus
minus 1.
351. 351 minus
350
1.
then.
350.
350 the answer. So little bit of understanding might have been in your brain now. You
Yeah.
have an exercise related to algebra in this class also, where they are asking you several questions related to this. Now I'm going to that question which you asked me about the substitution which you are not clear with. It is in exercise 12.3 of your algebra, you know. I'm
Yeah.
sharing this with you, and then you can find each and every answers very easily. The questions are provided this way. It's not getting transferred, I think. Oh yeah, got transferred. I'm showing you this. Okay, just wait. Stopping this screen sharing, and I have to share my own screen now. And here this is the, oh, it's coming out. This is my screen, and this is the sum related to substitution. Are you seeing something on the screen or not?
अभी नहीं sir.
Okay, just wait, just wait. Uh, share and stop sharing. Again, you are not seeing, I think.
नहीं sir.
Let me do it in a correct way. Wait,
सर
wait.
1 सेकंड के लिए दिखा था.
दिखा था? अच्छा, अब दिखेगा. Just see. Now you might be seeing it, I think.
Yes, sir.
Here, the questions are the same which we are doing that time, algebraic expressions. All those questions of matchstick patterns and this. This is the exercise 12.3. Here there is a questions of substitution. If m equal to 2, find the value of 3m minus 5. These are the simple questions you can easily do. Take out your copy and start doing. This is your exercise from NCERT. As I told you, कुछ sums NCERT से. If m equal to 2, find the value of m minus 2. This is called substitution. What will you do? You will replace this m by 2. So what's the
Yes,
answer?
sir.
This is a simple
तो 0
replacement,
होता
very
है.
easy questions. So this is 0. Now, if you replace this m to be 2, here this will be
So
3 into 2
3 into
minus
2
5,
जो हो जाएगा 6.
1.
6 minus 5 equals to 1.
And again here, 9 minus 5 into 2, it's
So
minus 1.
9 minus 10 equals to -1.
And then this is a very difficult question again. 3m square minus 2m minus 7. Try to do it in your copy. In your
8 seconds,
notebook,
sir.
you can do 3 times. This is 3 means 3 times. M means 2 square. 2 times 2. This is 2 times 2. 2m means 2 times 2. M
Yes.
is 2 here. And then first you solve this exponent. And what is the value of that? 2 square is 4.
4.
So you write 3
So
into
3
4.
times 4
2 into 4
minus
minus
2
7.
into,
And now you
yes,
follow the BODMAS or DMAS. 3 4s are 12, 2 2s are 4 minus 7. And then again 12 minus 4 is 8, 8 minus 7 is 1. So this is the answer.
yes,
Are you clear with it?
yes, sir.
So basic substitution goes like this. If it is 5m by 2 minus 4, 5m by 2 minus 4, so how will I write? 5 multiplied by 2
5 multiplied by 2
by
जो होगा
2
10. 10
minus
divided by
4,
2 equals to
5
5.
minus 4,
5
that
minus
is
4
1.
equals 1.
1 is the answer. Now you go to the next one because that is containing negative sign where you will get stuck. So I want to let you do all these in which you will be very much confident कि कोई problem नहीं रह जाए. Exercise यही है जो आप कह रहे थे.
P
अब
equals
करें
to
इसको.
negative.
This time P is minus 2 and you have to calculate 3 expressions. First is very simple. 4 into
4
minus
into
2 plus
negative
7.
2.
So
Yes, sir.
this is
4 into
negative
negative.
8 plus 7. Your answer is negative 1.
Yes, sir.
And you calculate this one yourself because this minus is preceding here and again minus sign is there. As I have done in your copy, lot of sums have been done on that. If minus is preceding, so what will you do? You will write minus 3 out and negative 2 square like this
Yes, sir.
plus 4
Negative 3,
multiplied
negative
by
2,
negative 2
negative 2
and
squared
plus
equals
7.
to 4. Negative 3 times 4, negative 12. Uh, Negative 12 plus 4. Uh,
No, 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 no.
mm,
No, 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 no. No, 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 no.
oh, yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah. No.
4 times negative 2.
It's
Um,
negative 8. Negative 8. So 12 negative,
yes,
negative 8, negative 20 plus 7.
plus 7.
Negative 13 is the answer.
Yes.
So here you can commit mistake. Don't add it. You are finding this to be multiplied. So multiply first, then add. You find the exponent first, and then you multiply, and then add. Because BODMAS or DMAS is to be followed, but exponent comes first. Power comes first. So now the
Yes.
next one, next sum. This is again a complicated issue. Do it.
Mm, Negative 2. Negative 2 outside. Negative 2. 3. 2. Negative 8. Negative 2 times negative 8. Oh, negative 2 times negative 8 हो जाएगा 16. Oh, 16 my 16 minus 3. 16 minus 3
3 4
equals,
are 12.
yes sir, प्लस 4p जो हो जाएगा 4 टाइम्स नेगेटिव 2 जो हो जाएगा नेगेटिव 8 और प्लस 7. सर तो 16 माइनस 12 minus 12 equals to 4 4 4 3 5 equals to -4 -8 हो जाएगा -4 plus 7 +3.
Clear?
Yes, sir.
Now in this sum x is -1, you have to evaluate all those. Those two are simpler and this is a little bit difficult.
Yes.
This is a little bit
X
difficult.
equals to -1.
So
2
2
times
into
-1,
-1
-1,
minus 7.
-8.
No, 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 no.
Oh, wait. Oh, 2 times 1.
It's -9.
-2, negative. Yes, sir. -9.
Don't be in a hurry. Think and write. ऐसे नहीं जल्दी में कुछ नहीं करना.
1 plus 2, 3.
1 plus 2 is 3. That is correct.
Um, -1
And don't
square.
jump the step. First write it this way. 2 bracket -1 plus 1. Write the steps first. And then you evaluate. -1 square gives +1. -2 into 1 gives -2 and +1. You're getting 1 plus 1, 2 minus 2 is 0.
Yes.
And the last, this is 2x square minus x minus 2. So how will you write it? 2 multiplied by -1 ka square
-1 squared.
negative
Yes,
-1 -2. And
yes, so
use
the
of bracket is very important. Use of bracket is very important. Put brackets wherever necessary. Otherwise, you will get confused. So whenever there is negative sign, you have to put especially brackets. So you calculate this -1 ka square. This gives +1. So 2 into +1. This negative into negative
सिर्फ
becomes +1
3 हो जाएगा आंसर
minus 2.
मुझे लगता है.
So this is 2 and 1, 3. 3 minus 2 is 1.
Yes,
3 minus 2 is 1. 1 is the answer.
1.
And अब चलें where there are two variables, a is 2, b is -2, and evaluate this. A is 2 and b is -2. There are two variables here and the expression is written in two variables itself. So a square plus b square is to be evaluated.
So a equals to 2, 2 times 2, 4.
2
4.
square, first write the full sum and then you evaluate in next step. 4 plus
Yes, sir.
4,
So 4 plus 4, 8.
8. So this is the answer. Now this is a square plus ab plus b square. 2 square plus 2 into -2 or plus
Yes.
-2 squared. This is the way you replace all the a and b by 2 and -2. In the next step, calculate the exponents first. So 2 square is 4.
4. 4 plus
This gives
2.
-4. Not 4 plus 2. Again, you are mistaking. Minus को पहले करना है. इसको evaluate करना.
Yes.
All the terms are to be evaluated and then put the proper sign. So ये टर्म सेकंड है, इसको भी इवेल्युएट करो, इसको भी इवेल्युएट करो, इसको भी, और उसके बाद फाइनल सोचो. तुम इसमें इसको जोड़ दोगे तो you'll commit a large blunder, plus -2 का square plus 4. Now this 4 reduces to only 4. जोड़ना नहीं है. You are in a hurry to add, but addition कैसे होगा जब उसके साथ कुछ multiplied है. Now you evaluate this. 2 square minus
4.
-2 square, like this. First step will be replacement only by putting
Yes.
brackets. Next step will be exponent calculation. So 2 square is 4 minus this is again 4
Yes.
and 4 minus 4, the result is 0. अब अगला सवाल आप खुद करें. A is 0, B is -1. Evaluate all the 4 questions and let me know the answers.
Equals to 0.
A is 0, B is -1 and 2A plus 2B is to be evaluated. 2 multiplied by 0 plus 2 multiplied by -1. Is it so? Any
एक
number
सेकंड.
multiplied by 0 is 0 only.
यस
And a
सर, तो वो
positive
जीरो.
number when multiplied to negative gives -2. And this is multiplication by 1. So answer is -2 only. What is the answer of other questions? Do it yourself. 2a square plus b squared plus 1. 2a square plus b square plus 1. How will you replace?
फिर एक सेकंड, 2 टाइम्स
2
जीरो.
0 square minus 1 square or plus
जीरो प्लस
0
बी
plus 1 plus 1. Two answer.
वन. जीरो प्लस वन. वन.
And
वन
one more
प्लस वन,
one.
टू. टू.
One more one is there. अच्छा ये करो. Do this one yourself. 2a
टू ए
square b.
टू बी.
First tell me how will you write it. उसके बाद expression solve करना.
सर, टू ब्रैकेट में जीरो
0
स्क्वायर
square
टू.
into -1.
यस सर.
These all are multiplied. Plus 2 a is 0 -1 square. A plus 0 into -1. All thing reduces to 0, you know. If one of the
यस.
0 is multiplied to a bigger term, the whole thing reduces to 0. This whole thing reduces to 0. And this is again 0 into -1 reduces to 0. So 0 is the answer. The question is big. The answer is simple. Now a square plus ab plus 2.
ए स्क्वायर हो गया जीरो.
A square is
प्लस
0 square plus 0 into -1 plus 2. So this is 0, this is 0, only
जीरो
plus
प्लस
2 is the
जीरो
answer.
प्लस टू, टू.
Only plus 2 is the answer. Now sums are different here. They say simplify the expression and find the value of x is equal to 2. At first you simplify it, and after simplification put x is equal to 2 and find the value. So what does it mean? Simplify it. The first step is to simplify. X plus 7 plus 4 bracket x minus 5. What do you mean by simplification? You will open this bracket. So this is x plus 7 plus 4 times x is 4x and 4 times 5 is 4 5 ja minus 20. Are you clear? I have opened the bracket and used the distributive property. 4 is to be multiplied to x as well as 4 is to be multiplied to minus 5.
यस
So
सर.
this is total opening of bracket by clearing all the multiplication, and then look for the like terms. What are the like terms? X is like to 4x. So if you add x to 4x, what will be the answer? 5x.
यस.
And if you subtract 20 from 7, it will give you minus 13. So this is the final answer of this big algebraic expression. On simplification, this is the answer. Now what do they
सर.
say you? Yeah,
सर, मुझे नहीं लगता मैम ने अभी तक इधर सिखाया है.
कोई बात नहीं, फिर भी सीख लो. जितना आगे सीख के जाओगे स्कूल में उतना आगे आगे समझ में आएगा. हम इसको खत्म करके छोड़ देते हैं और फिर हम अपनी तरफ से 10-20 सवाल आपको देंगे. x2 पुट करना है. So हमने सिंप्लीफाई तो कर लिया. Now I'm going to put x as 2. So if I put x as 2, so 5 multiplied by 2 minus 13. This is to be evaluated now. 5 2s are 10. 10 minus 13. What is the answer? Minus 3 is the answer. Clear है?
यस.
अभी हमारे पास 4 sums हैं. So I'm doing all the 4 and things will be very clear to you. मैम नहीं कराया, no issue. हमको अपना काम पूरा करके रखना है. So that अगले दिन if she is discussing anything in the class, it should not be new to you. लिटिल बिट ऑफ नॉलेज मस्ट बी देयर कि कोई बच्चा ब्लैंक ना हो। अगर वो पढ़ता है तो ही मस्ट बी अवेयर कि कल क्या होने वाला है। देखिए ये क्वेश्चन है, किस ब्रैकेट को खोलेंगे आप? इसको खोलेंगे। देखिए 3 इंटू एक्स क्या बना? 3x। 3 इंटू टू क्या बना? 6। ब्रैकेट तो खोलने आता है आपको। इस 3 से x को भी मल्टीप्लाई होगा, इस 3 से 2 को भी होगा। तो इस 3 को x से किए तो 3 इंटू एक्स 3x, 3 इंटू टू, 3
Yes.
2 जा 6, and
Yeah.
one more 5x is here and minus 7 is here. Now look for the like terms. What are the like terms here? 3x and 5x. When you add
Yeah.
3 to 5, it gives you 8x. And 6 minus 7 is minus 1. Everyone knows it. This is integral subtraction. And जब यहां पहुंच जाते हैं, then what do? Put x equal to 2 and get the answer. So when you put x equal to 2, you get 8 multiplied by 2 minus 1. What is the answer? 16 minus 1, that is
15.
15. अब तक आपको समझ में कुछ आया?
Yes, sir.
अब आप एक ट्राई करें तो ये वाला। ये कहता है, मैं यहां लिख रहा हूं 6x प्लस 5 इंटू एक्स माइनस 2। पहले इसे सिंप्लीफाई करना, मीन्स इस ब्रैकेट को खोलना है। हमने ट्वाइस ऐसा काम किया है, अब तो आपको समझ में आ गया होगा। बताइए क्या करेंगे पहले स्टेप में? 6x एज इट इज रखेंगे, इस 5 से x को भी मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे तो कितना बन जाएगा? 5 टाइम्स x।
5.
इस
Yes.
5 से 2 को भी मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे तो कितना बन जाएगा? 5 2 जा 10, बट दैट इज हैविंग नेगेटिव साइन, सो आई विल राइट नेगेटिव 10। This is the opening of bracket. Once you open the bracket, then you have to look for the like terms. These two are like terms, 6x and 5x. 6 tomatoes and 5 tomatoes is 11 tomatoes. Similarly, 6x plus 5x is 11x. And
Yeah.
this 10 is to be left alone because that is a constant term. And now put x equal to 2 here also, because every sum is to be calculated at x equal to 2. So if you put x equal to 2, what is the final answer? X 11 into 2 minus 10. 11 2 are 22 minus 10, that is 12 answer. I said you to do it, but I myself did it. Better होगा कि अगला सवाल आप करें। अगला सवाल आप ट्राई करें। This says
Sir.
for bracket 2x minus 1 plus 3x plus 11। हाँ, आप कुछ कह रहे थे।
यस सर, ये वाला मुझे बहुत मुश्किल लग रहा है।
कोई मुश्किल नहीं लगेगा। आप ये लिख लिए सवाल, नोट किए?
यस।
नोट करने के बाद मैंने क्या पढ़ाया है कि जहां ब्रैकेट दिखे उसे ओपन करो। सो इफ यू मल्टीप्लाई 4 टू 2x, ब्रैकेट ओपन करना मतलब इस बाहर वाली चीज से अंदर के टर्म्स को मल्टीप्लाई करना है, टर्म बाय टर्म। सो इफ यू मल्टीप्लाई 4 टू 2x, हाउ मच यू आर गेटिंग चाइल्ड?
सर 4 to x।
4 इंटू टू
सर।
एक्स 8x।
यस।
4 2 जा 8x. And if you multiply 4 to minus 1, what are you getting? Minus 4. 4 1 ja minus 4. 4 into negative 1 minus 4. And then आगे का टर्म एज इट इज लिख दीजिए। आगे तो कोई ब्रैकेट है ही नहीं। In the next step I said you to like terms look करना। What are the like terms here? 8x and 3x are like
सर
terms.
8x and 3x।
How much the result? 11x.
11।
And 11 minus 4 is 7. This is the answer. But they say you to evaluate it at x equal to
2।
2. So if you put x equal to 2, what should be the answer? 11 into 2 plus 7.
29। 29।
22 plus 7 is 29 answer. So nothing is difficult here. What you have to do, only one extra thing they are putting, that is opening the bracket and understanding the like terms and adding or subtracting them.
Yes.
Clear? Now the last one. 7th says the question is 3x minus 5 minus x plus 9. They say पहले तो सिंप्लीफाई कर लो एक्सप्रेशन को, और देन x इक्वल टू 3 पर, a इक्वल टू -1 पर, b इक्वल टू -2 पर उसका वैल्यू निकालो। x इक्वल टू क्या दिया है 3, a इक्वल टू क्या दिया है जैसे पहले दिया होता था -1, और b इक्वल टू क्या दिया -2। कहता है पहले इसे सिंप्लीफाई करिए। सिंप्लीफाई करना मतलब लुकिंग फॉर लाइक टर्म ओनली। लुक फॉर इफ देर इज एन ब्रैकेट, ब्रैकेट तो है ही नहीं इसमें, ब्रैकेट कोई नहीं है। सो व्हाट विल आई डू, आई विल लुक फॉर द लाइक टर्म्स। यहां पर एक लाइक टर्म है और यहां एक लाइक टर्म है,
Yes.
उनको करना क्या है, सब्ट्रैक्ट करना है दिस टाइम। सो 3x में से x घटा लीजिए, कितना x बचा,
So, um,
3 में से एक गया, 2 बचा, 2x लिख दिया।
yes, yes,
और 9 में से 5 घटा लीजिए, 4 बचा।
yes.
अब आपको इस एक्सप्रेशन की वैल्यू x इक्वल टू 3 पर निकालना है। So put x equal to 3, you will get the value of this expression 2 into 3 plus 4. And what will be the answer? 2 3 are 6 plus 4. And that is 6 plus 4 is 10.
10.
Clear है?
Yes, sir.
अगले सम को इसी तरह करना है, और आप मुझे थोड़ा थोड़ा हेल्प करेंगे करने में। 2 माइनस 8x प्लस 4x प्लस 4। सबसे पहले मैं क्या देखता हूं कि इज देयर एनी
Sir,
ब्रैकेट, इज देयर एनी ब्रैकेट,
नहीं
आई डू
sir.
नॉट फाइंड एनी ब्रैकेट। देन क्या देखता हूं कि इज देयर सम लाइक टर्म्स, यस देयर आर सम लाइक
Yes, sir.
टर्म्स। सो 4 में से 8 को माइनस करना है।
नहीं सर, ऐड करना।
नहीं, -8 प्लस 4, व्हाट इज -8 प्लस 4,
ओ
इंटीजर क्या
ओ
कहता है, इट्स
ओ
नेगेटिव
ये
4x।
-4।
So these two results to negative 4x, and 4 plus 2 को ऐड करिए तो क्या बना 6।
Yes.
And after this you got the answer now. After this you have to put x as 3 here to find the final answer. -4 into 3 plus 6. What is the answer, child? -12 plus 6. This is -6 is the answer. I do not think there is any doubt here.
No sir.
Now अगले सम्स मुझे आप करके दिखाएं जरा। आप अगला मुझे करके दिखाएं। मैं यहां लिख रहा हूं 3a प्लस 5 minus 8a plus 1. Are you having pen and pencil with you?
Yes.
Now, is there any bracket here? No bracket is here. So, is there any like term? Yes, like term is there. 3a and 8a. Do you know what are like terms?
Yes.
If they are having the same values here, a, b, b, x, x, xy, xy, pp, rr, they are like terms. So 3a minus 8a. If you subtract 3 minus 8, what is the answer in integer?
So integer
Minus 2.
में
Yeah.
yeah.
But you have to put a also, because you are doing integer as well as this algebra also. And 5 plus 1 is 6. ये हो गया final answer. Once the answer comes, then I look for what is the value of a here. A is given to be -1. So what will you do? You replace this a by -1 as you are doing in these sums. Is it so?
Yeah.
Plus 6. So as you replace this, you are getting minus into minus, plus 5 and plus 6. How much is the answer?
So
11 is the
5
answer.
plus
5 plus 6 is 11. Got the
yes.
answer?
Yes
Now
sir.
you go to the next sum. Next sum says this is the next sum. 10 minus 3b minus 4 minus 5b. Do it yourself. 10 minus 3b minus 4 minus 5b. What are the like terms here?
So 3b and 5b.
What is the final answer? Negative 3b, negative 5b. So in
So
integer you write -8
yes.
and put b here. Don't forget to put b. You do by integer only, but put b here. And 10 minus 4 is plus 6. So the answer is with you. Now what do they say? If b is -2, find the value of this expression. So put b equal to -2 in this sum. -8 into -2 plus 6. Tell me the result.
So minus 6 equals minus 10 plus 6. Uh, sure.
16 plus 6. Positive 16 and plus 6. कुछ समझ नहीं आया.
सर वो -8 और वो नेगेटिव.
देखो -8 मल्टीप्लाइड बाय -2 था ना, कितना आएगा?
ओ यस.
नेगेटिव इंटू नेगेटिव पॉजिटिव, 8 2 जा 16. अब 16 में 6 और ऐड करना था, आंसर 22 लिख दिया. लास्ट क्वेश्चन ऑफ दिस टॉपिक, 7th क्वेश्चन का लास्ट पार्ट. 2a 2b -4 -5 plus a. What are like terms here?
सर लाइट टर्म्स है 2a और a.
If you add these two, the 2a plus a, this is 2a plus 1a, that is 3a.
यस.
Minus 2b has no like terms, and -5 minus 4 when added gives -9. So we are doing just like integers only, but putting some algebraic literals, right?
Yeah.
Now no further simplification is possible here. So now you will look for the sum ki a kya hai aur b kya hai. This time a was -1, b was -2. So here a and b both are to be put. A is -1 and b is -2. Tell me answer. क्या answer आएगा? 3 multiplied by -1. First you write like this. If you don't write like this, you are not going to get marks, and even you will do a lot of mistakes. Every a is replaced by -1 by putting a bracket here and putting a multiplication sign. Similarly here also I have not written multiplication sign, but it is known that if there is a bracket there, it should be multiplied. And tell me the
Yeah.
result now. Every term will give you some result. 3 into -1, you get -3.
Yes.
-2 into -2, you get +4.
Positive 4.
-9 is the third term. And now you simplify just like algebra. So
1
4
minus
minus 3, 1, 1 minus
-8.
9, -8 is the final answer. आई डो नॉट थिंक कोई भी चीज करने से होता है. अगर आप नहीं करेंगे तो कहेंगे कि नहीं मेरे को तो कुछ समझ नहीं आता. जब तक आप इसको थोड़ा दिमाग नहीं लगाएंगे, थोड़ा सा जोर नहीं देंगे दिमाग पर, तब तक चीजें डिफिकल्ट लगेगी. When I was a kid, I was also finding things difficult, and if I practiced a lot, now I'm finding everything easy. कारण क्या है उसका? Because I have worked hard और continuously work किया है. कभी ये नहीं कहा कि स्कूल में हो गया तो मैं क्यों करूं, स्कूल में अभी हुआ ही नहीं तो नहीं करता हूं. ऐसा कुछ नहीं है. You go ahead. If you're understanding things and someone is teaching you, you must learn as much as possible from him. Is it so?
Yes.
चलिए इसमें देखिए क्या कह रहा है. यहाँ ब्रैकेट भी खोलना है, सिंप्लीफाई भी करना है, और उसके बाद z इक्वल टू 10 पे निकालना है. जरा देखिए क्या हो रहा है. z का पावर 3 -3 टाइम्स, देयर इज ए ब्रैकेट हियर टू बी सिंप्लीफाइड, जो कि ऐसे केस में था. इन सब सवालों में था ना ब्रैकेट.
Yeah.
तो मैं क्या करूंगा कि इस जेड क्यूब को तो टच ही नहीं करूंगा, ऐसे ही रखूंगा. यहां से ब्रैकेट ओपन करूंगा. देखिए 3 इंटू जेड क्या बना? 3z. 3 मल्टीप्लाइड बाई
Yes.
जेड इज 3z. एंड निगेटिव निगेटिव बन जाएगा पॉजिटिव. ये साइन चेंज करना मत भूलिएगा. नेगेटिव और नेगेटिव क्या बन जाएगा, पॉजिटिव। 3 इंटू 10 क्या बन जाएगा, 30। सो योर फाइनल एक्सप्रेशन इज कमिंग जेड का क्यूब माइनस 3z प्लस 30। नाउ अब बच्चा कंफ्यूज होता है कि क्या इसमें भी कोई लाइक टर्म है। मैं कहूंगा इसमें कोई लाइक टर्म नहीं है। आप कहेंगे ऐसा क्यों, यहां भी जेड है, यहां भी जेड है, लाइक टर्म तो है, पर उसका कैप डिफरेंट है। इसने 3 टोपी पहन रखी है, इसने एक ही टोपी पहन रखा है, दोनों डिफरेंट है, पावर्स अलग है, तो इसलिए वो लाइक टर्म नहीं है। जा क्या हो गया, you got disconnected. Join. I am still in the class, you can join, no problem.
हेलो सर।
Yeah,
यस सर,
I
मेरा वो डिस्कनेक्ट हो गया।
no problem, sometimes it happens due to poor connectivity. So where I was at question number 8 and telling you that how to understand which are like terms and which are not. So
यस।
what I got, the answer was z cube. Oh, I have something annotate करना पड़ेगा. The answer was z cube minus 3 bracketed z minus 10. If you open the bracket, what did I get the result? Z cube as it is minus 3 into z is 3 times z, and negative is positive. 3 into 10 is 30.
30।
Here I was telling you कि here इस टर्म में भी z है, इसमें भी z है, क्या ये लाइक टर्म है?
यस सर।
ये लाइक टर्म नहीं है,
ओ।
बिकॉज यहाँ z के ऊपर 3 पावर लगा हुआ है और यहाँ z के ऊपर एक ही पावर है।
ओ यस।
होना क्या चाहिए कि वेरिएबल भी सेम होना चाहिए और उसका पावर भी सेम होना चाहिए, तब वो लाइक टर्म होता है। ये लाइक टर्म नहीं है, इसीलिए हम इसका ऐड सब्ट्रैक्ट नहीं कर सकते। तो अब सीधा वैल्यू पुट कर देंगे। देखिए जेड के लिए क्या दे रखा है, 10 दे रखा है, तो पुट जेड इक्वल टू 10 हियर। सो इफ यू पुट जेड 10, व्हाट इज द आंसर, लेट मी नो। 10 का क्यूब 3 इंटू 10 प्लस 30। आर यू हियरिंग?
यस।
So 10 का cube is, people say 30, I say 1000. Why I say 1000? Because 10 raised to the power 3 है. So 10, 10, 10. It gives 1000. Is it so?
यस।
So this gives
यस।
1000, a minus 30 and plus 30. Minus 30 plus 30 gets cancelled. 30 minus 30 is 0. So what is the answer now? Only 1000. So what you have learned in this chapter, you have to open the bracket by changing the sign cautiously. Don't commit mistake in changing the sign. Once you do
यस।
that, then compare whether the term are like or unlike. What did I tell you to distinguish between like and unlike terms? The variable must be same and the powers also must be same.
यस।
But here it is different. The power is z cube, the other is z1 power only. So these are not like terms, cannot be added or subtracted. So this is the final answer. Once I am reaching here, then simply put the value of z, that is 10. So you are putting value 10, getting the answer as 1000. Again, one more question I'll do, and then I
सर
think,
क्लास का टाइम हो गया है.
ओके ओके, ठीक है, बंद कर दें क्लास को आज फिर.
ओके सर.
ठीक है, लेकिन भूलिएगा नहीं, अपने क्लासेस ज्वाइन करिए आप, ठीक है, जब जब होता है तब तक आप क्लास ज्वाइन कर लें. और अपना
यस
क्लास अपडेट कर दीजिएगा, आज एक क्लास बढ़ा दीजिएगा जितना था उससे.
सर, आज 8th क्लास है.
आज 8th कर दीजिए उसको. और अब हम क्लास एंड करते हैं आज के लिए, मिलते हैं फिर अगले क्लास में. ठीक है, बाय.
यस. बाय.